Hello students, welcome to standard 6th. Our skeletal system and the skin. Today we are going to see the human skeletal system. The skeleton is made up of the following bones. First is the skull. There are altogether 22 bones in the skull, 8 in the head and 14 in the face. The peculiarity is only one bone of jaw is movable, all other bones are immovable. The function is protection of brain. There are 12 pairs of flat bones called ribs are joined in its sideways, and there is one vertical flat bone called the sternum. So, there are altogether 25 bones form the rib cage. It is joined to the spine at the back. The bones from back of the body to the front. Function is protection of heart and lungs. Now we will see the spine. The spine is formed by padlock shaped bones placed straight one above the other. There is altogether 33 bones in the spine, each called a vertebra. The bones are irregular bones. The function is protection of spinal cord. The appendicular skeleton. There are 2 arms and 2 legs. In arms there are 30 bones, each function is working with hands. In legs there are 30 bones, each the function is movement. There are 3 bones in each of the ears. Of this, the stirrup is the smallest bone in our body. In the human body, the longest and strongest bone is the thigh bone or the femur. Joints. The places where 2 or more than 2 bones are connected to each other are called joints. Types of joints, they are movable and immovable joints. Movable joints, bones can move. Examples are bones of arms and legs. Immovable joints, bones cannot move. Example, bones of the skull. Types of joints. Hinge joint. This type of joint allows the movement of bones only in one direction. It moves in a 180-degree angle. Example is the elbow and knee joints. Ball and socket joint. In this type of joint, the bones can move in 2 or more directions in a 360 angle. Example are shoulder and hip joint. Gliding joint. In this type of joint, the bones can only slide over each other. Example, wrist and ankle joint. Now we will see the skin. The skin is an important and large organ of all living things. Skin is the external outermost covering of the body. It is one of the 5 sense organs of the body. It gives us the sense of touch. The hair and nails at the tips of fingers and toes are also part of the skin. The structure of the skin. Human skin is made up of 2 main layers. The outermost layer is called the epidermis and the layer below it is called the dermis. Dermis is the inner layer of the skin. It contains sweat glands. Below dermis there is a subcutaneous layer. It has network of capillaries. It maintains normal body temperature. What happens when we walk or play in the hot sun? When we walk or play in the hot sun, the temperature of our body may rise, but due to automatic regulation, the sweat glands get activated and we start sweating. We also feel thirsty. Now we will see the function of the skin. Protection of internal parts of the body like muscles, bones, organ system, etc. Preserving moisture of the body, synthesizing vitamin D, regulation of body temperature by releasing sweat, protection against heat and cold, sensory organ of touch. The sweat glands are present in the dermis layer of the skin. The sweat helps to reduce the increased temperature. Observe your skin and the skin of your grandmother, grandfather or any old person in the house. What difference do you notice? Our skin is glowing and taut. Old person's skin looks dull and shrunken. With the old age, the proportion of the fat beneath the subcutaneous layer of the skin reduces. Due to this, previously taut skin shrinks, wrinkles thus appears on the skin. Melanin. Melanin is the pigment which decides the color of our skin and hair. Melanin protects our internal parts of the body from ultraviolet radiations present in the sunlight. Jet black hair are due to pure melanin. Darker persons have more melanin. Melanin is secreted by specialized glands present in the epidermis layer of the skin. Skin color can change according to weather and exposure to sunlight. One should not discriminate between dark and fair skin color. For the health of our skin, it is important to keep it clean. Discriminating between people based on their skin color is unscientific and wrong. Avoid the temptation of using artificial means to become fair.